friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate and add subtitles to a video. For this purpose, I'm going to use the CapCut app, right? It's a free application. You can just download it from CapCut website and install it on your computer. I'm going to add a link in the description to where you can find the app. And as I said, it's a free app and very, very practical. I use it all the time to edit my videos and it has a lot of options. However, in today's video, I will be just focusing on generating and adding subtitles to video. But in a separate video, maybe like, who knows, maybe next Friday, I will be talking more about different features and maybe like even more practical features of this cool app. So if you open the app, like you will see something like this, at least on Mac. So all you need to do is to go here and create a new project, right? I create my project here and it opens it, right? And so this is the environment of the app. So the first thing we need to do, we need to add our videos, right? You see this import button in here. You can just click in here and then import, or we can simply drag and drop here. So I'm just gonna go import and it opens this like where I can like browser kind of thingy that I can like choose the file that I want. I select this test file and import it. This, I just like basically recorded my screen when I was playing, some videos on Apple website. I was like for one of their events. I thought it could be like a good example. Anyway, could be any videos that you want. And you can obviously add as many videos as you want. And here you see up here, there is like an import button. You can just click here and add more. If not, you can drag and drop here. And once you have everything here, you can just basically select this and drag and drop it down here, right? The other way of adding it is that you see this plus sign in here. It says add to track. So if you click that, it just like adds it here to track. The next thing that you want to do, maybe you want to say, okay, like this is my whole video, but I don't really need the whole thing. I just want to like make it shorter. I want to like from here, for example, to like, I don't really want the last few, I don't know, seconds or whatever of the video. So like I edit like the length of my video and stuff like that. And then like from this side as well. And so like it basically edits your video, cut it in length, right? And if it's just like too tiny and you don't see what you're doing, like there is a zoom button here, like you can just click and like it's like expands it so you can like better see what you're doing with your video. Anyway, and if you have more videos, as I said, like you can add them all up here and then like add them to the track in here, and it's just gonna merge them all if you wanted it to. Now let's say we want to add and generate the subtitle. At this video, obviously, like as you can see, like there is no subtitle for this video. But let's say we want to generate some subtitle and add it. So you see there is like text bottom up here, right? I'm just gonna select the text option. And once you click here, you will see like this list on the left side. You just click on auto captions, right? And then it lets you choose the language of the video. English obviously is the language of this video, but like there is options for Chinese, Dutch, French, German, and many, many more languages, which is like super cool for like a free app. So let's go with English, and then I'm just gonna go create, right? And because it's a short video, it's only like 15 seconds something, and then like we even cut it down, so it's like 13 seconds as you can see. So it's like the video is here, and you can see that it added, the subtitles, like generated the subtitle and added to the video, right? So if you click on the subtitles, the generated ones, you can see that the menu up here changes, right? And if I go to the text option, then it lets me, play with different options. Like I can say for the font, I want to choose this font, for example. For the font size, I'm just going to like go bigger or go smaller. And then I want it to be in bold and I want it to be uppercase. and I want it to be I don't know, like a different color. I want it in different in this color, and many options that there is, and like you can choose from, like choose the position of the subtitle, and all that. And you can also go to animation, right? Like there's different tabs in here, and then like you can choose an animation for your subtitle, right? And we're here, for example, in the text option, you can go to template and be like, hey, I want to choose, for example, a template like this, right? And just like anything that you add, you go just add to the brand kit, and you don't even really need to do this too. But like if you wanted to, you can. But like you could just select it here, and like a lot of options up here. Like you can just like play with these options and choose as many as you want. Some of them might be like not free and you have to pay for that. I don't know, but for this purpose, like generating some subtitles like should be free, and like I've never had a problem with this. And once you're happy with everything, you're just gonna go export here at the very top right, and it says export, and then it gives you like a lot of options, right? Like it says, what's the quality that you want, 480 and all the way to 4K. I'm just gonna go with 1080, and 1080 is free. The bitrate, you can change that. The codec, you can obviously change that as well. The format, it supports MOV or MP4. The frame rate, if you want a higher frame rate or lower frame rate, you can choose that. Anyway, and there is like a lot of options that you can play with, right? And then you can also like export the audio separately if you wanted to. But like in this video, we don't really need to do this. And once you're happy with these options in here, you just go export, and it starts, exporting the video with the attached subtitle and everything, right? It takes a few seconds and it's ready. If you want to share it on TikTok or YouTube or whatever you want, you can do that. If not, and you want to see that just in your computer, you can just go open folder, and you can see the video here and the subtitle file in here as well. And we can play to make sure that everything is good. So I'm just going to do that now. Let's see how it's done. So I'm just going to play it and see if the generated subtitle matches with what the video is saying. Let's see.
It's hard work.
That's not hard. Try driving a bunch of kids in practice and then coaching them when you get there. Layups! You think that's hard? Try beating these guys.
Okay, cool. So as we saw, like it had the green thingy, the font that we chose, and in all the options that we chose, and it's working perfectly fine. Hopefully this is useful to you guys. And as I said, in the next videos, I will be talking more about different features of this cool app. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me, and also not to miss the next video when I upload it. Thank you for watching us, and take care. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye.